Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students, welcomes you all in class 12th English part 2. Yesterday we discussed about part 1 in the chapter number 1 Flamingo, the last lesson. And today we will continue that chapter after the discussion that students used to busy their grammar lecture. So today M. Hamel had given a task them about the handwriting. In handwriting he has given them France Alsace. They were writing just flags, little flags floating everywhere in the school, and huge rod top on the desk. You ought to have how everyone set up in their works. And once when there some beatless fly used to come, and even the very small children, those were present in the class, that child busy to fish through the hook, and they all busy their all things. But today nobody is distract as such from their task. Everybody is just writing, and there is a keep quiet silence movement inside the classroom. And on the roof of the pigeons cooked very low. So the little French was thinking, I thought to myself also. So French had in his mind that will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons. Means when they put the German language to everyone, that animals, that birds are chirping or these pigeons are making sound. So these all animals could be make the sound in the German language. So it is thought of the French in his mind. So he said, when I was writing, I saw French is telling that he saw that M. Hamel is just sitting motionless on his chair because somewhere he feels very sad. And then after that, French is telling, I can see that school atmosphere is totally silence. And that person, M. Hamel, as a teacher, he spent his 40 years in that village. He devoted his life somewhere to teach them about the French language, but today is the last day somehow to say them a bye. So really it's very sad, because for 40 years the person used to spend on a one place, and that is for M. Hamel. He had been there in the same place with the garden, outside windows, class, everything is there, and that walnuts, whatever the things are big as per the time period. So that garden were taller, and all the walnuts, and even the that he planted himself the little twin, you can say, about that twin window, that twin about the windows to the roof, twin windows to the roof. And you can see how as time has been passed, and it is somewhere that moment is broken his heart. So French is just thinking in his mind that when they all were busy in their work, that M. Hamel's sister is upside, and she is busy to manage the all the things, because she is just packing up all the luggage, everything. After that last lesson, they have to leave the country. So as per packing up, somewhere children today, M. Hamel is really a very courageous or a brave person. Why it is so? Because today is a very saddest moment, not even for the village peoples, even for the M. Hamel also. And he had a courage that he is ready to listen all the chapters, all the explanations, all the things very last moment. After writing, the French is telling that we had a lesson from the history, and that history, there were the babies, and they chanted their ba bi bo. Why? Because it is down there at the back of the room where Hauser had put his spectacles, and he had holding his primer, both the things in his hand, and he used to spell all the letters. So in this moment, French is just uh, telling his thoughts that in this moment how the Hauser is reacting. Hauser is trying to pronunciate or trying to spell all the letters, and somewhere he while he is doing this his task, he is about to cry. Even he is crying, and when he was crying, his voice is trembled. His voice is trembled with the emotions, because everyone was very sad. And what is mostly children happened when this kind of the atmosphere surrounding by you, the mostly peoples used to laugh. So same thing is French wants to tell. French said we want to laugh, we want to cry, even we don't know what to do. Because that moment we can see the French is telling, he hear him, and that we all wanted to laugh and cry, but he is telling, I remember that was the last lesson for the French that time when everybody was doing their task about writing. They had their lesson in history. After that, French is telling when he had their last lesson. So in the same time, they completed their task about the grammar class also, handwriting task also. After handwriting task, they completed their history class also. And now the time is there when they all were doing all the things. So at once the church clock struck 12. In that time period, the church clock struck 12. This is a time when all the peoples, all the English Roman Catholic devotion in honor of the Armenians and the Incarnations, means when the peoples are doing, Roman Catholic peoples were doing their prayer. So while it was happened, at the same moment, he is telling the trumpets of the Persians returning from drill, and the sounded under our windows, whose windows? That is the class. Where is the class where used to all the villagers sits over there? French is attending his class. So he said during that time period when the Persian returning from the drill, in that moment French is telling, it is a really very saddest moment. Why? Because M. Hamel stood up very pale. His face is totally yellowish, because he was not in well condition, and he was thinking about that this is a time now to say to buy this place. And during that time stood up from his place on that chair where he used to sit over there, and he saw, French is telling, I never saw him look so tall. Why he never saw him look so tall? Because this is a moment, the moment is very sad, and he is in his very heaviest mode to stood up from his chair. And then what then he turned to the blackboard. And on the blackboard he took a piece of chalk. Who took a piece of chalk? M. Hamel took a piece of chalk, and bearing on his all in his might, he wrote as large as he could. French is just explaining all the things, because somewhere he is observing each and every moment. And he said, what he said? He said, Vive, children, you can see, he said, Vive lo France, France. What is Vive lo France? Somewhere this is a words. This is a words. What is a words? This is a words where he has to written. And what he want to tell? He want to tell to the friends. Why he just tell to the friends? Because he told all the things to the friends. Those were present in the class. And what is the meaning? Meaning is there. We will love friends. We will love friends, that the France can have a long life. After written on the blackboard with the very heaviest mode, Vive la France. Vive la France means France could have a long life. And somewhere he wrote these words to put his all energy on the blackboard. And after that he used to this thing. Then he was able to write down these words, because somewhere it was very panic for him to say goodbye. The person used to spend 40 years with those peoples, with that place, and I am just repeating my words. And today is the last lesson. In the last lesson, the day used to come, then he has to say bye bye. So then he stopped and leaned his face against the wall. He leaned his face against the wall, and without a word, he made a gesture to us with his hand. He made a gesture to us with his hand, to us means to say along with the French, to all the students, to all the peoples those were present in the class. Even he was not able to say them just you may go or you may leave the class. No, that was the indication, then he stopped and leaned his face against the wall. It was very panic for to everyone, the French used to tell, and he made that with the same, and that was the indication, that was the gesture through his hand. And this is what is the meaning is this: the school is dismissed, you may go, this is the last line of the last lesson chapter, where the class was dismissed, the chapter was over, and French used to tell, M. Hamel said bye to everyone, and after that he used to leave that place. So I feel, my dear students, you understand this chapter. And meanwhile, if you have any kind of the query, any kind of the problem regarding the explanation, you can go through by the NCERT, and after that you are free to discuss. And after that we will provide you a question answers assessment. You do all the assessments in very proper way in your fair copy, and regarding any problem, most welcome about the discussion. Thank you.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives.